Hello everyone. Are you getting the something went wrong? Error while signing into Gmail on Android? Don't worry. In this video I'll show you some easy fixes. Step 1. Check internet connection. First, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Try opening YouTube or Chrome to confirm that your internet is working. Step 2. Check date and time settings. Go to Settings, System, Date and Time. Turn on Set Time automatically and Set Time Zone automatically. Incorrect date and time can prevent Gmail from signing in properly. Step 3. Clear Gmail cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Gmail, Storage Tab Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing the sign-in problem. Step 4. Clear Google Play Services cache. Now go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Services, Storage tab Clear Cache. Google Play Services is required from Gmail sign-in and clearing its cache can fix many sign-in issues. Step 5. Remove and re-add Google account. Go to Settings, Accounts, Google, select your Google account and tap Remove account. After that, tap Add account, Google and sign in again using your email and password. Step 6. Check Gmail settings. Open Gmail, tap your profile picture. Go to Gmail settings, select your account and make sure Gmail is turned on. And that's it. These steps should help fix the Gmail something went wrong sign-in problem on Android. Like, subscribe and share for more easy Android tips.